On 12 February 2025, Departments of Botany, Chemistry and Zoology, Durgapur Government College organized workshop and interactive sessions on biological and chemical waste disposal for undergraduate students under the DBT Star College scheme. The workshop introduced chemical distillation for recycling of hazardous organic solvents, followed by the acid waste and basic waste neutralization processes demonstrated by Professor Toton Roy and laboratory staff of Department of Chemistry. This followed lectures and interactive sessions by Dr. Ashok Bhattacharya, Dr. Shumana Dotto and Dr. Prashanto Saha from Departments of Botany and Zoology, along with the demonstration of the labeling, segregation, storage and disposal techniques. We express our heartfelt thanks to Department of Biotechnology, Government of India for enabling us to organize such events.